Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great week so far. Today I'm going to be sharing this 9x12 Project Life page from my 2018 album. This page is from, I think, the week leading up to our wedding, or like the weeks leading up to our wedding. So we were like running a bunch of errands. We had to like give the final deposit to our venue. I picked up my wedding dress, all that stuff, which is crazy. That's like over 3 years ago now. It feels like yesterday. Time goes by way too fast, but we all know that time is all weird now since like last year. But yeah, so this is 3 years ago. Working on finishing up this 2018 album. I have a few more pages left, I think. It's just a long process. But yeah, so let's get into it. I've picked all my cards. I'm trying to figure out embellishments right now. For colors, I kind of wanted to... the colors are a little bit all over the place as far as the pictures go. I found that like speckled card in that bottom right hand corner. It has like a pinkish background, and then the hand-drawn like dots are a kind of like aqua greenish color, which I thought worked really well. My husband's shirt was like the pinkish color, and then we went to Houston's for dinner with our families, and the sign is like that bluish greenish color that you see I'm getting lettering for right now. So I kind of wanted to play off those colors, and then I just had like that simple black and white card and that kind of craft colored card in the middle, just to bring the neutrals together and not make it look too busy. Let me know if you think this looks good. I'm not entirely sure still. I don't know if I'm sold on it. But yeah, that was my thought process for this one. Now I'm just pulling some stamps. I don't know if I mentioned it on this channel, but I know I did on Instagram that I recently moved all of my stamps to my desk, like right in front of me. So I've been grabbing them more. I'm very much the kind of person, it's like, if I don't see something, I'm never going to use it. So I like having them right in front of me because I've been definitely gravitating towards stamping more, which is good because I have all these stamps from like years and years of scrapbooking that I really haven't touched. Like, I think this stamp set from Studio Calico, this is the first time I'm ever using it, and I'm pretty sure this is from like 3-4 years ago. So yeah, if you're like me, try rearranging your stuff. If you feel like you're not really utilizing everything you own, try to move it so that you can grab it easier, or you can see it so you don't forget that it exists. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I think it says capture the moment or something like that. And then I did this in a live stream a few months ago where I did like a stamp and then like kind of outlined it with like a really rough hand-drawn just like outline using a pen, and I really liked the way it looked. I thought it was something a little different. I really love that hand-drawn kind of doodly look, and I wanted to kind of bring more of that onto this page, especially since you have like a really pretty handwritten sentiment on the stamp. So I'm just going to cut that out. I'm going to go ahead and adhere that to that Houston's picture right there on the right. Now I'm just going to work on that middle craft colored card. I'm just going to turn it into like a little, I guess, title card for this page. I'm going to use the Studio Calico alphabet stickers in this really pretty aqua green blue color that'll match the card on the right hand corner and bring some of that color up to the the middle part, the upper parts of the page. So I'm just going to use my, what is this, the American Crafts thicker lettering tool thing that I've talked about before, which I love. I'm just gonna put down wedding week, and then I realized, like, as I was putting down the wedding part, that I should start in the middle. So it's gonna be 3 lines worth of text or whatever. So it's gonna be wedding week and then a heart. So if you're ever doing lettering or like anything like that, if you know that something is gonna be more centered, put that down first so that it ends up the way you like it, and you kind of have like a guide when you're putting all the other stuff down. So this this page protector is an older Becky Higgins one. I think it's design A. I used to know the difference between all the designs, but I don't anymore. But they used to be a 12 by 12 page protectors, so I usually just cut these all down because I had so many. I stocked up on them because I used to do 12 by 12 Project Life. I cut them down now to a 9 by 12 size, so it's usually just cutting down like the last column. If it's, I don't know which, it might be design A that has like the 2 4x6s on the top and the bottom, so that last section is going to be a little, it's going to be open. It's not going to be sealed anymore. So I seal those, and then that other 4x6, because I don't have a lot of 4x6 cards, I'll usually just take whatever pictures or cards are in there, and like you saw before, just adhere it to a 4x6 piece of scrap paper, and then slip it into the photo sleeves that way, so that I don't need to necessarily have 4x6 cards or 4x6 photos for these page protectors to work. Does that make sense? I don't know. I feel like I rambled on a little bit about that, but that's just another trick that I have because I don't like to waste any supplies, especially because page protectors can get expensive. So I definitely try to still use all of them, even though they're not necessarily the size I work with normally. And as you can see, I did do a little bit of journaling on that bottom right-hand card after I put down that sticker. The stickers are from, I think they're Heidi Swap. I'm not sure what collection. I think I found them on just a scrapbook supply website online somewhere. But yeah, they're really cute. I love the colors and I love her handwriting. So I threw that on there. I felt like it kind of matched the handwritten look of that stamp that I used in the beginning. And now I think I'm going to do some more stamping. Sorry, I know there's a point in this video where my camera stopped recording, so I'm trying to figure out when that is, but not quite. So we're going to do a little bit more stamping. I love this stamp set. It's from Kelly Perky from years, maybe 5-6 years ago. I love it. I use it a lot. I feel like I either use a stamp set a lot or haven't touched it since I received it, which is bad. But I love this one. It's kind of I guess it's kind of love related. It has a lot of really cute phrases that I use on a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to just stamp. Oh, here's where I lost some footage. So what I did, I just stamped that little sentiment on some scrap paper and then put it on that top left card with the flowers, just to add a little bit of that blue to the upper part of the page as well. And then the part that you also missed is me doing more stamping. I'm not a big stamper as far as images are concerned. I usually just use a lot of sentiments and stuff, but I wanted to add, I thought these little flower stamps from the stamp I used in the beginning were so cute, and I wanted to add some more floral stuff to the page, and I didn't really feel like using stickers, so I did some just cute stamping to that bottom left-hand photo. It's not really related to the picture, but I thought it was cute, so I did that. And then I have some Maggie Holmes word stickers, and I just found a cute love you one, and I just threw it on there. And I think this is pretty much it, and then you're gonna get detail shots right about now. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I showed you guys in this video. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me on YouTube here, and yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.